Okay, 4.4, page 247. It says it's given that JM is congruent to LM. JM is congruent to LM. It says to prove JKM is congruent to LKM. Well, another given thing that they didn't write up here, but you can use as given, is that these are right triangles, or right angles there. Okay, so we have several different choices here: side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, side, hypotenuse, leg, and angle, angle, side. Well, we have right triangles, so let's look at hypotenuse, leg, and see if we can do hypotenuse, leg. First, let's find the hypotenuse of each of these right triangles. Remember, the hypotenuse is always across from the right triangle, the right angle. So here's the right angle, and across from the right angle is KM, and across from this right angle is KM. So there's the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse leg means that we have to prove that the hypotenuse and one of the legs of the right triangle are congruent. Well, we have the hypotenuse, and then we have one of the legs, LM and JM. So we can prove this by hypotenuse leg. And we don't even have anything that we really need to add to it. Except to say, wow, that didn't come out so well. Let me try that again. Okay. We have to prove that that side is congruent to itself, which is not a big deal. Statements. Reasons. Okay, we want to do the given first. JM is congruent to LM, and that's given. Angle J, there's only one there, and angle L, there's only one there. Whoops, I wrote J again. I'll leave it to me to do that. Are right angles, and that's given. Now remember that you have to state the obvious when you're doing these things. So we have to say triangle JKM and triangle LKM are right triangles. And that's by the definition of a right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle that has a right angle, has one right angle. Okay, and you have to say that to use hypotenuse leg. Alright, so we have here JM is congruent to LM, that's the leg. And now we have not yet proven the hypotenuse. So we would say KM is congruent to KM, and that is by the reflexive. And then the last statement would be triangle JKM is congruent to triangle LKM by hypotenuse leg. Here we proved the hypotenuse. And here we proved the leg.